Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In this video we're going to show you how to remove and replace the instrument cluster on an Audi A4 B6. So stay with us to see how we're going to do that. Pretty simple procedure when you know what you're doing, and don't forget to subscribe for about one new video every day. First thing we need to do, we need to open the hood and we need to disconnect the battery. So the battery is located right there with the 10mm socket. Just disconnect the positive and the negative wires, because we'll be removing the cluster, so if we do not do that, we might burn the cluster. Okay, now right here, this plastic, we need to remove it. So you need to grab it with your fingers and pull on each side of it, and it will come off. Okay, this is the plastic, it has two clips, one here and one there. And now right here, there is two screws, one here and one there. And we need to remove those with the star looking bit, and this one is T20. So you just go there. It's kind of hard to find it, but it's right there. It's hard to show you on the camera exactly where it is. And we need to take both of them loose all the way. They're usually not too long screws. Okay, this one is ready. And now we have one more in this corner right here. Just to make sure that we get it. Okay. And after you remove these two, you need to make sure that you move the steering wheel all the way down and towards you, so we can actually pull the cluster out of there. And now you can go with your fingernails right here and just pull it like that. You come out. Okay, there is two guides, I think. And it goes only in a certain angle. And now we have the wires on the back, and that pink thing we need to push. There is one tooth that it needs to jump, so push down and move the pink thing like that. Push it and it's going to pull the wires out of the cluster, just like that. And after that there is one more right here. Again, the same procedure. It's very limited space, so it's hard to see, but there is one tooth that you need to press down and push at the same time. And then you just pull all the way up like that and pull it out of there. And now the cluster will come out in a certain angle. So again, you need to play with the steering wheel to give it more room. Move the... Okay. And this is it right here. So that's how you remove the cluster, and you install it the same way. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.